So next, the next feature that I want to bring to your attention with the web access tool is the templates. Next, I want to go back to the Chrome Web Store, and here I want to take some time to add a extension that will allow us to quickly generate prompts and prompt templates. So for this, we're going to type in Chatgpt for search engines. And here we're going to be provided with an option to add an extension that will enhance our prompts. So we're going to choose the prompt templates and add to Chrome, and we'll add the extension. All right. And now I'm going to go back into Chatgpt and we'll click refresh. And when we click refresh, you'll notice that our default template now looks a little different. So here, what we've done is we've added the ability to create prompt templates. So what we are adding inside of the input space is called a prompt. So we're prompting the chatbot to give us a specific output. And up until this point, we've been creating our own prompts. However, in order for us to maximize the output that we receive from ChatGPT, it's very important that we know what to add to the prompting area. And so here we are going to start to add prompts that have been actually already created for us. So here's an example. If for some reason you needed to add a bio to one of your social media platforms, this will allow you to quickly add a bio. When we start to talk about creating ads for social media, this will be an amazing prompt generator. All of these prompts are already created as templates, and all we will need to do is to go into the prompt template and adjust the text to match our situation. So let's take a look at the blog intro prompt. And let's go ahead and fill in the blanks, which have been highlighted for us. So we'll just stick with the ChatGPT topic, and we'll need to give our blog a title. Introduction to ChatGPT, a brief description of ChatGPT, all right, so I just put a language AI that enhances our writing and allows us to communicate with computers. All right, so now we're getting to offer keywords for our post. So I'm going to start with AI. Then I will do chatbot. And then I will add writing. All right, and next it's going to ask for a word limit, which is great. I'm just going to do 300 words. And who's most likely to read this, which is optional, I'll just put tech. And it's optional, so our audience, I believe, will probably be a tech audience. And let's go ahead and select the tone. Let's do a luxurious tone. And we can also select the output language, which is amazing. So we'll start with English, and then we will choose an additional language to add. All right, so we have completed our prompt template, and we're going to go ahead and generate our response.
Welcome to the world of Chatgpt, a cutting-edge language AI that is revolutionizing the way we communicate with computers. With its advanced capabilities, Chatgpt is changing the game for writers and tech enthusiasts alike, offering a new level of sophistication and convenience in our interactions with technology. At its core, Chatgpt is a chatbot that uses state-of-the-art AI algorithms to understand and respond to natural language input. Whether you're looking to improve your writing, chat with a virtual assistant, or even have a conversation with a chatbot, Chatgpt can help you achieve your goals. One of the most exciting things about Chatgpt is its ability to enhance our writing. By analyzing our writing style and offering suggestions for improvements, Chatgpt can help us to become better writers and communicators. It can also help us to generate new ideas, refine our language, and even write content on our behalf. Another key benefit of Chatgpt is its versatility. Unlike other chatbots that are designed for specific tasks or industries, Chatgpt can be trained to understand and respond to a wide variety of topics and inputs. This makes it a valuable tool for businesses, researchers, and individuals alike. Whether you're looking to improve your writing skills, streamline your workflow, or simply have some fun chatting with a virtual assistant, Chatgpt is the perfect tool for you. With its advanced AI algorithms and cutting-edge capabilities, it's no wonder that Chatgpt is quickly becoming one of the most popular language AI platforms on the market today. So why not join the revolution and experience the power of Chatgpt for yourself?
Awesome. So if you would like to appeal to a tech audience and you have a blog, or even if you're wanting to make regular posts on your social media, this is an amazing way to quickly generate prompts that can be reused or that can be posted to your social media platforms on a regular basis. So let's go ahead and go back to our templates to see what this extension can add to our Chatgpt. So another thing that you'll find is over here on the side, we can kind of choose this section that we need our templates to be geared toward. So rather than going through the long list, because there are a lot of prompt templates, we can kind of go off of the side here. So this will allow us to choose a specific category. So we kind of already went through the blog section. So let's look at social media content. So here, again, if you need to add a bio, if you need to share some tips, event recap, so more things that we would be adding to our social media platforms. And a lot of the times, if you are a content creator, this is going to be something that will save you so much time. And probably the last extension that we'll probably have to search for, it could be there already, but would be an extension that will allow us to quickly create these prompts and then just seamlessly post it to our social media platforms. So I will take a look to see if I can find an extension maybe for LinkedIn that will allow us to, after we make the prompt, then we can go back and we can start to add these to our social media platforms. And that will be covered in the section where we talk about how this can enhance your professional life. So here, just as a brief overview, however, this is the area that you would use to really search for areas where you can categories and prompts that you can generate to add to your social media. And if we click here, you'll be able to see the top prompts in this section. So as you can see, We're having prompts about generating or about talking about creating writing content, two important aspects. All right. We can also have Chatgpt act as a recruiter. And this is another area when we start talking about advanced prompting that will help you to get the result that you're looking for from the perspective that you're looking for. And it's more so, it will be covered as we go along and as we start to write more complex and more advanced prompts for ChatGPT. All right. So, however, if you are interested, please go ahead and feel free to look. This area is great because it will allow you to kind of find out what everyone else in the community is using ChatGPT for. And it's a great way for you to find things that you would have never thought of. So let's go ahead and look in this next area. Oh, and let's do this third tab. Okay, we can't do it yet. All right, so the next area is for emails, which we've already talked about how ChatGPT can help you draft emails. And after we finish our web tool, we will then go into how ChatGPT can help you send emails. But this template, instead of us asking ChatGPT to create a template, these templates have already been created for us. So let's take a look at the welcome newsletter template. And so here, it will allow you to create a welcome newsletter, and we'll just go ahead and put in our information. All right, and this is the welcome newsletter. So we'll just say, all right, this is the place to start your coding journey. All right, and next we will say we have featured content, a word limit, and then also our target audience. So on the featured content, blog post, product or service, we'll do introduction to coding and how this can help you. All right. And on the word limit, let's stick with 300. And people new to all right. And I'm just going to go ahead and add. All right, so we can let's do enthusiastic for the tone, and the language output would be still English. So let's go ahead and click generate.
Subject: Professor Horton's newsletter, the perfect place to start your coding journey. Dear new coders, welcome to Coders Inc. We are excited to have you as a part of our community and are eager to help you embark on your coding journey. Whether you are just starting out or are looking to improve your coding skills, we are here to support you every step of the way. At Coders Inc, we believe that coding is a superpower. It can change the way you view the world and open up countless opportunities for you. That's why we offer a wide range of resources and support to help you learn how to code, no matter your level of experience. Our featured content this month is an introduction to coding. We will explore the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and give you a foundation to build upon. We want to help you get comfortable with coding and make it a fun experience. We understand that starting something new can be intimidating, especially when it comes to coding. But don't worry. Our team of experts is here to guide you through the learning process. We pride ourselves on creating an empathetic and supportive community where everyone is welcome. In addition to our resources, we also offer coding challenges and events where you can connect with other coders and put your skills to the test. We want to create a space where you can learn and grow while having fun. We are committed to making your coding journey an enjoyable one. Whether you want to build a website, develop an app, or simply learn a new skill, we are here to help you achieve your goals. Thank you for choosing Coder Z Inc. as your coding home. We look forward to seeing you grow and develop your skills with us. Best regards, Professor Horton, Coder Z Inc.
Awesome. And this is an amazing newsletter or welcome newsletter. I believe that any company would use this output or this product. So this is amazing. I'm almost speechless. I love it, and I'm actually going to go ahead and use it. So let's take a look. Let's go back to our templates and let's see what's next. So we looked at emails, and the last time we kind of started looking at fun things to do, but we weren't really able to complete the gaming portion. So we will go back and take a look at kind of touch bases again on games with Chatgpt. But here we're looking at templates. So we're able to also add motivational quotes, song lyrics, short stories. We can add to our dating profile. We can, if we're done with the dating aspect of life, we can write wedding vows. We can even write love letters here. So let's go ahead and let's do a song. So we're going to write a song, and it first asks us to choose the genre. So I'm going to choose hip hop. So we chose our genre, and next it's going to ask us to choose the mood and tone. So I'm going to choose, for the mood, happy, and then for the tone, I think for the mood and the tone, we'll just put happy. Next, it's going to ask for a theme. So center theme around, let's see how generic we can be and how much it will fill in the gaps. So I'm going to do coding again, and I'm going to do also coding terms, and I'll just put a comma, and I'll also put HTML terms, CSS terms, and JavaScript terms. All right, so song structure. Need the outline. For example, I'm just going to use the example here. So we're going to go with intro, verse, chorus, bridge, chorus, outro. That looks good to me. Specify what you want to appear in the song. Consider including rhyming patterns, wordplay, poetic. And again, I'm just going to choose from this list that it's already given us. Let's do wordplay. I don't think we need poetic devices. Okay, so, and I'll just also add a song to teach people about coding. On the word count, I'm going to stick with 300, and target audience would be new coders. And this looks pretty good. I'm going to change, let's see some of the options, because okay, maybe, so down here we get to choose the tone again. So I'm going to go with bold, and I'll also put bold up here. And it looks pretty good. We'll choose English, and I'm also going to go ahead and I was debating, but I'm going to also add enthusiastic. All right. So happy, bold, and enthusiastic. And down here we just chose bold. So let's go ahead and generate.
Intro. Yo, what's good? It's your boy on the track, ready to teach you about coding, so sit back. We gonna talk HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and make it sound dope like a classic rap. Verse 1. Let's start with HTML, the building block of the web, tags, elements, and attributes. It's all in your head. Headings, paragraphs, lists, and links. If you want to code like a boss, HTML's where to begin. Chorus, code. Let's get our code on, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We can't go wrong. Code. Let's make our site pop with some dope web design. We'll reach the top. Verse 2. Next up is CSS, the styling king, colors, fonts, layout. It's a beautiful thing. Selectors, properties, values, it's all in the mix. With CSS on your site'll be slick. Chorus, code. Let's get our code on, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We can't go wrong. Code. Let's make our site pop with some dope web design. We'll reach the top. Bridge. Now we're getting to the real deal. JavaScript, the language that makes it all feel. Functions, variables, loops, and events. With JavaScript, you can make some serious sense. Chorus, code. Let's get our code on, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We can't go wrong. Code. Let's make our site pop with some dope web design. We'll reach the top. Outro. So there you have it, folks, the basics of web dev, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the trio that's ahead. Keep on coding, keep on learning, and you'll soon be creating some amazing things, no denying.
All right, awesome. So it did give us a really good rap that we can use. I'd have to probably hear it with a beat, but we'll use a different AI for that. So this was great for at least laying down the words to the song. And yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. So up here, we also have the ability to share the prompt. So now we can actually share the prompt, and this is just going to share the prompt that we created, and it'll give it a title. If we want, we can add a topic. There it is. We can select a tag, or we can add 3 tags. So we'll do HTML. All right, so we've added 3 tags, and all right, that's good enough. All right, we allow people to buy a coffee. All right, go ahead and say save prompt, and the prompt has been shared. So awesome. Let's go back to our templates and see what else we have. So we were in the fun category. I also wanted to take some time to create a short story. So here we have a short story that we can create. And the first thing that we need to do is add the purpose of the story. So I'm going to stick with the same topic, where the story takes place. We'll say in a fun-filled land of coding. Characters, introduction of the main character and their personalities. So we'll do the first character's name will be Nia, and she will be a fun, adventurous, probably need to spell adventurous right, coder, there we go, and conflict problems. Maybe she has problem solving. The plot outline of the events that take place in the story, including any twists and turns. All right, so let's say that she is creating a new game. A new virtual. All right. I'm just going off the top of my head here. All right, so also the resolution to the conflict. Okay, awesome. We get to have a resolution. She uses Chatgpt. All right, and the theme of the story, if there is one, we'll stick with coding. On the number of words, we'll stick with 300. We'll say new coders. So already, before we go any further, already we have created enough content. We created a welcome email. We created a rap song. We're now creating a short story. And for someone that's just starting a business or an entrepreneur, we have created content that would normally take hours upon hours to create, or you would have had to hire people to create it for you. So we've saved ourselves both time and money just by using Chatgpt. And so here again, we will choose English and let's go ahead and generate.
Nia was a fun and adventurous coder who loved designing games. She lived in a land filled with coding, where everything from the buildings to the trees was built with lines of code. Nia was always up for a challenge, and today was no different. She had decided to design a new virtual escape room game, and she was having a blast coming up with ideas. However, as she started working on the UX, UI, she realized that she was facing some issues. The game wasn't as user-friendly as she had hoped, and players might find it difficult to navigate through the puzzles and clues. Nia knew that she needed help, but she didn't know who to turn to. That's when she remembered Chatgpt, a friendly and knowledgeable AI that was always happy to assist new coders. She quickly fired up her laptop and logged on to the Chatgpt website. "Hi, Chatgpt," she typed into the chat box. "I'm Nia, and I'm having some trouble with the UX, UI of my virtual escape room game. Can you help me?" "Of course, Nia," Chatgpt responded. "What seems to be the problem?" Nia explained her issue, and Chatgpt gave her some helpful tips and suggestions. They went back and forth, tweaking the game's design until it was just right. With Chatgpt's help, Nia had created a game that was not only fun and adventurous but also user-friendly. Nia was thrilled with the results, and she knew that she couldn't have done it without Chatgpt's help. She shared her game with her friends, and they loved it too. Nia felt proud to have created something that brought joy and excitement to others. The moral of the story? Coding can be challenging, but it's always good to ask for help when you need it. And thanks to Chatgpt, new coders like Nia can create amazing things with confidence and ease.
Awesome. Amazing. So at this point, we have very quickly been able to generate a short story that if we had a website where we were creating content for our company, we could very quickly publish this and we would be able to create content. And even if we didn't want to use these exact words, it still gives us a starting point. So we could very quickly switch some of the content around to fit our needs. If we wanted to be more specific about how she solved her problem, we could actually ask Chatgpt for some ideas on how to make a game more user-friendly. We could add that into the story. We could add more characters. There's all sorts of things that we could do to generate this unique content and to turn it into something that would be beneficial for whatever product or company or service that we offered. So again, a very amazing tool that you can use to supercharge your Chat GPT and your experience using Chat GPT. So let's go back to the templates. And here we have website copy. So sales landing page. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Create content to boost your website traffic and capture leads. You can also, it says about us copy. So let's look at the sales landing page. And again, we're going to type in our information. Okay, so a brief overview, teaching coding, main features and benefits. We'll say key benefits of your product or service. Teaches coding for ages 8 to 80. And next we'll do the link 300 words again. And we'll still say new coders. All right. And here, let's do, since this is the sales page, we'll do persuasive. And we will still choose English. Let's go ahead and generate.
Welcome to Coder Z, the leading coding education service that can change your life in the future. We believe that anyone can learn to code, and we're committed to making that a reality. Our service is designed to teach coding to people of all ages, from 8 to 80. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced programmer, our comprehensive courses will help you build the skills you need to succeed. Coding is one of the most important skills of the 21st century. It is essential in almost every industry, from finance and healthcare to entertainment and education. By learning to code, you can open up a world of opportunities for yourself and make a positive impact on society. At Coder Z, we're passionate about sharing the power of coding with everyone, and we want to help you become a part of the movement. Our courses are designed to be accessible and easy to follow. We use a variety of teaching methods, including interactive tutorials, videos, and exercises, to help you learn at your own pace. Our expert instructors are experienced programmers who are dedicated to helping you succeed. They'll be with you every step of the way, answering your questions and providing guidance as needed. We offer a wide range of courses to suit every level of experience. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your skills, we have something for you. Our courses cover everything from basic programming concepts to advanced topics like machine learning and artificial intelligence. We also offer specialized courses for specific industries, such as finance and healthcare. At Coder Z, we believe that coding is for everyone, regardless of age or background. That's why we offer our services to people of all ages, from kids to seniors. We believe that anyone can learn to code, and we're committed to making that a reality. So why wait? Sign up for our courses today and start your journey towards a brighter future. With Coder Z, you can learn to code and change your life and the world for the better.
Nice. Amazing. Again, amazing. So, an amazing output for content on our sales page. And all we had to do was input a few lines of text to get 300 words on our output. All right, let's go back over to the templates. So we did website copy. We can look at career here. If you need to attract people or candidates for a specific job, we are able to use this template. rejection letters, hiring blurb, resume. This is awesome. So we'll be able to use a lot of these areas again a little bit later in the course when we cover the professional portion of the course. All right, here we have templates for case studies. If you are doing any YouTube videos or any type of videos, here we're able to write things like our channel description, YouTube video topic ideas. All of these things are amazing. All of these prompt templates are amazing. This will allow you to improve your content. Here, this area will be used when we cover marketing. And then it has an area for others. So prompt generation, real estate listing, and sports reports. So again, this is amazing. And when it comes to prompt generation, if you would like to generate your own prompts for other AI tools, this is a great area, and it will allow you to tailor your prompts to specific goals and interests. And again, awesome. Let's take a look at some of the top prompts. Okay, so this actually does not change by category, but you can change it by the topic here. So awesome. All right. And that is all for our web extension. And actually, no, this was the prompt template extension. So that's all for the prompt template extension. And next, we will take a look at our emailing assistant. So we're going to talk about how we can use Chatgpt to not only draft, but also write and send our email. So we can even use Chatgpt to respond to emails that we have already received.